In today's tutorial, we're tackling how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Whether you're adding new data or just need more space, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and get those rows rolling. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Begin by opening the Google Sheets document where you want to add new rows. Step 2. Select rows. Click on the row number to the left of the sheet to select the row below where you want the new rows to appear. To insert multiple rows, drag and select multiple row numbers. Step 3. Insert rows. Right-click on the selected rows and choose Insert X rows above or Insert X rows below from the context menu, where X is the number of rows you've selected. Step 4. Adjust your data if needed. You can now move your data around to accommodate the new rows. Simply cut and paste or drag and drop cells to their new positions, and that's it. You've successfully added multiple rows to your Google Sheets document. If this guide helps streamline your spreadsheet work, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more productivity hacks.